Exercise number 41. I have seen your notice in today's Star and I should like to have details of your new master's reading series. Full stop. I think such a series should make a wide appeal and I wish you much success with it. Full stop. Many of those who have seen my set of stories of the earth, sea, and sky speak highly of it, and several I know, have bought similar sets for themselves. Full stop. I am sorry you have allowed poster designing to go out of stock. Full stop. Such a book, it seems to me, should have a large sale, as so many we know taking up the study of this subject. Full stop. In view of this, may I suggest a new issue. Full stop and close.